How to add a picture after posting on Instagram. Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. Today in this video we are going to find out if we can add a picture after posting on Instagram or not. So without any delay, let's just jump right into the video. For that, you can go ahead and open up your Instagram, and once you're here on this interface, what you need to do is head over to your profile where you'll be finding all of your posts, including the post that you've just posted or the post that you have been posted. After that, you can go ahead and locate up the post in which you want to add a picture. So once you here, for example, this particular post is something I want to add a picture on. For that, when we go ahead and click on this three dot at the top right corner, we will be finding different options available. For example, archive, hide, like, count, and different other options also. Along with that, we also have this option called edit. So let's go on see what features are available there. So here we get options of adding different things like collaborators, location, music, adding the AI label, as well as an alternative text. But unfortunately, we don't have an option of adding a picture after posting on Instagram. So what we can do is simply wait for Instagram to add up that feature, since we don't have that feature available yet. So that's how we find out we cannot add a picture after posting on Instagram for now. But if you want to really post that picture, you can just go ahead and create up a new post at the moment. So therefore, that is it. That is how you do it. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.